All right, man, here go another light slight, maybe long video, I'm not for sure. Anyway, a lot of people been hitting me up asking me, where the videos at, what's net, this, that, and the third. Look, it's too hot out here, and this may be a quick video because I may not make it to the end, man. I just pulled the car out. Luckily, we got some shade right here, and it's gonna be either 2 videos in one or just 1 short video, not for sure. But like I said, I did just pull the car out, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all a quick walk around, just in case you ain't seen it in a while. It is clean. I did wash it yesterday. Did wash the car yesterday, man. Y'all see it shining, gleaming, shining, all that. You know what I'm talking about? Anyway, man, like I said, it's hot out here. See, light drip, super light, boy. But I did get a new little sponsorship deal. Nothing too crazy. I don't even know where that company started, but right now they don't have a lot of stuff for challengers right now, but they did send me what they have, and they got more stuff on the way. I'm gonna open the box and show y'all that in just a second. But like I said, it's super hot out. My son just started online school, and now I'm pretty much a part-time teacher. So that shit right there, that slows everything down. Plus it's just too hot. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got, man. Got this in the mail, new sponsorship alert, yada yada yada. Carbon add-ons, they sent me this. Like I said, they don't have a lot of stuff right now for challengers, but they are making more items. Like I said, what they have on the site right now, they did send me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up for y'all real quick. I did bring a blade out here. Yeah, no I didn't. Yes I did. No I didn't. All right, man, I got the blade left in the crib. I see, man. If you're not already, follow the car page at Scatpack Mall, all that. Go ahead, open this up for y'all. Man, whatever. This what I got in the box. This, like I said, it did come from Carbon Add-ons. These are carbon parts for the inside of the car. So I'm gonna go in the car and show y'all what it is. I'm gonna take out the wrapper and show y'all all that. So obviously this is for the gear part down there. Got another piece for the steering wheel. Got the cup holder pieces. Yep, all that's in here. Paper, and they did send me keychain. It's actually good quality keychain. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the keys. But let me just show y'all where these parts go. Go ahead, help me open this up. Show y'all what it's gonna look like. All right, so I got everything unpacked. Yo, it's so hot that I literally went in the house to unpack this shit. But so let me go ahead and show y'all all comes in here that I got. So first off, we got the steering wheel piece. Then you get 2 cup holder pieces, and you got this piece as well. All right, just got done with the install. Let me turn this AC down a little bit. All right, so like I said, make sure you wipe everything down with a wet cloth. You don't need no soap or no spray, just a wet cloth. Wipe everything down before you stick this stuff on. Peel the back wrapper off, place it on here. Pretty much everything, it's gonna fall into place. All you gotta do is, like, for the steering wheel, line the middle part, and everything's gonna fall into place. You see right there, carbon fiber on the steering wheel. You know what I'm talking about, man. And bam, got it on the cup holders as well. Come with 2 cup holders and a middle piece right here to blend it all in. Then, like I said, you got the piece for the gearbox. Like I said, everything's pretty much gonna fit exact. All you gotta do is align like one of the cuts, and then just, before you press it all the way down, just go through it, make sure it's lined up right, then go ahead and press it all the way down. Like I said, my hands ashy because I was just using that cloth. But like I said, gearbox, and they got the middle piece where people put chains or wherever y'all put right there. The cup holders and steering wheel. Like I said, this is all they have right now. They are making more products, so make sure you check them out. Like I said, wherever they get next, I'm gonna have definitely told them they should do a red carbon fiber start stop button. I'm definitely gonna get that because that's gonna tie in with everything else. Like I said, I got a couple more mods coming from the inside. Nothing too crazy. This was just a slight video, man, because like I said, it's been a while before I dropped something. So here y'all go, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Also check out Carbon Add-ons, and go look at all the pictures I post on Instagram. All right, man, I don't know the last thing I recorded, but I was supposed to record. I was just at the shop, And I know if you've been watching my channel, you watch some of my videos, so I was gonna get the side done. You know, I got the stripes, you see what I'm saying, car code logo, all that stuff. Let me show y'all real quick, man. Back, stripes, all that. So, like I said, supposed to get the side done on the car. Never got it done. Finally about to get it done. Just left the shop. They gotta order the materials. Finish up the design. Just vacuumed my car out. That's why I'm up here right now, man. Y'all see it's stupid clean. Anyway, I just want to make an outro because I'm telling y'all, next video that y'all see on this channel, this side gonna be going stupid. Side gonna be dumb hard. So I got some more stuff coming, but I'm either gonna sit on that video or not record it, because next video you see on my channel, I promise you, the car gonna be done. Like not like 100%, no more miles, but I'm telling you, next thing you see on my car, bruh, y'all just gotta see. I want to show y'all a part of it, but I don't want to give it all away. So I'm telling you, next video, subscribe, like, comment this video right now. Next video, come to the channel. The whole side gonna be done. That's it, man. That's all I gotta say.
They said take patience to get rich, but I always knew one day I'd do it big, then I did. Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga.